Hey everyone, today I'm playing Traffic Rider, a fun and simple game where the goal is to drive and get the highest score. It's all about balance, speed, and some epic stunts. Let's see how far can we go. Let's get into it. So if we crash, the video ends. We crash. So we crash, as we said, if we crash, the video ends. So that's all guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.